Okay, so don't panic. So this is kind of cool. You actually just grab on to the bottom corner here and go, and you pull out the whole door thingy. Ta-da! That's the inside of this beautiful beast. So up here is the coffee container, if you ever have to change that out or fill it with something that you prefer more than the house coffee. And then here, dun, 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 that's the water container. So usually you don't have to mess with that. And then over here, it's the waste container. There's some little pucks of used coffee. And you can just put it right here into the rubbish. And put it back. And close it up. And then she says, please wait. She makes some noise. And have we succeeded? Oh, she's proceeding again with her morning routine.